I welcome all members and well-wishers of Popular Front of India. I welcome all cadres who participated in the parade and all the brothers who took part in the rally.
My brothers and sisters, we are a Muslim community in South Africa that is only 3%. But we have 15% of the places in the Parliament of South Africa. Today in South Africa, our Minister of Justice is a Muslim. Today in South Africa, our Minister of Education is a Muslim. Today in South Africa, the advisor to the President is a Muslim. Today in South Africa, the Auditor General is a Muslim. Until his death, the Chief Justice of South Africa was a Muslim. And I can point out to you the way in which Muslims in South Africa have taken their rightful place at every level of South African society. Now, if that is what a community of 3% is able of doing, what is the possibility with a community of 13%, of 20%, or 25%? And the way we have reached this position of respect and equality is because when black people were oppressed, we fought alongside the blacks against the whites. It was because when Hindus were oppressed and Christians were oppressed and Jews were oppressed in South Africa, the Muslims stood by. Muslims, Christians, Hindus and Jews stood together to fight against apartheid. And it is because of that that we have a situation where not only Muslims are respected, but the religion of Islam in our constitution is said to be equal to all other religions in the Constitution of South Africa and the Bill of Rights.
ദേശീയ രാഷ്ട്രീയ സമ്മേളനം ഇന്നിവിടെ സമാപിക്കുമ്പോൾ NDF, MNB, KFD എന്നീ മൂന്ന് പേരുകളിൽ ഈ മൂന്ന് സംസ്ഥാനങ്ങളിൽ ഏറെക്കാലം നിറഞ്ഞു നിന്നിരുന്ന സംഘടനകൾ ചരിത്രത്തിന്റെ ഭാഗമാവുകയാണ്. ഇത് സത്യം. നാം പുതിയ ചരിത്ര നിർമ്മിതിയിൽ പങ്കുകാരാവുകയാണ്. ഇത് സത്യം. നാം പുതിയ ചരിത്ര നിർമ്മിതിയിൽ പങ്കുകാരാവുകയാണ്. സത്യത്തിന്റെ ശക്തിയിൽ നമുക്ക് വിശ്വാസമർപ്പിക്കാം. സത്യത്തിന്റെ ശക്തിയിൽ നമുക്ക് വിശ്വാസമർപ്പിക്കാം.